Good morning everyone. Today in Maths, let's continue with our chapter More Multiplication. So hope you all have completed the exercises that was mentioned in our previous class. Today let's move on to our topic, multiplication without regrouping. So let's see what we are going to do. Here we are going to do 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. We have learned the tables and it was all 1-digit number and a 2-digit number. So let's see how we are going to do it. Here you have multiply 13 by 3. So 13 is the multiplicand and 3 is the multiplier, and you can see 13 is a 2-digit number and 3 is a 1-digit number. So do you know the table of 3? 3 into 13? No. Then how can you find out? Let's check. You have to write the number 13 and under that you have to write the number 3. Since 3 is a 1-digit number, it has to come in the ones place. So where should you write 3? Under the ones place. So under this 3 you have to write the number 3. And then we have to multiply. We have to multiply first with the ones place. That is, we have to multiply here 3 with the ones place here 3. So how much is 3 into 3? 3 3s are 9. That number we have to write here in the ones place. Now again we have to multiply with the number in the tens place. So with 3 here you have to multiply the 1 in the tens place. So 3 ones are 3. That 3 you have to write here under the tens place. Now how much is 13 into 3? 39. So you got the answer 39. Let's do some more examples. Here you have 12 by 2, that is 12 into 2. So here you can see it's a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. So the 2-digit number, that is 12, write above and put the into symbol and write 2 under. So 2 is a 1-digit number, we have to put it in the ones place itself. So under here 2 you have to write the 2. And we'll start multiplying always from the ones place. So 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Write that here in the ones place itself. Next we have one more number remaining. So we have to multiply 2 with 1 in the tens place. So 2 ones are 2. That write it here in the tens place and you get the answer 24. So how much is 12 by 2? It is 24. Multiply 11 by 5. So write the number 11 on top. Insert the symbol of multiplication and write 5 here under 1 because 5 is a 1-digit number and it has to come in the ones place. Now we'll start multiplying. First start from the ones place. 5 into 1. 5 ones are 5. Write it here under the ones place itself. One more digit is remaining in the tens place. So 5 into 1 gain is 5. So we get the answer 55. So 11 into 5 is 55. Multiply 10 by 4. So write the number 10 on top, insert the symbol and 4 here in the ones place. Now we'll start from the ones place. 4 into 0. We already have learned the 0 multiplication fact, that is a number multiplied by 0 is 0 itself. So 4 into 0 is equal to 0. Now we have one more number in the tens place to multiply. 4 into 1. 4 into 1 is 4. So 10 into 4 is 40. Multiply 14 by 2. So let's write 14 on top. Insert the symbol of multiplication and 2 here in the ones place. Now we'll start from the ones place. We have 2 and 4 in the ones place. So 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. Now we have to multiply this 2 with the number in the tens place. So 2 ones are 2. Write that 2 here in the tens place and you get the number. You get the answer 28. So 14 into 2 is equal to 28. Now you have an activity. You can open your notebook. Write down the questions. The first question, 20 into 2 is equal to, and second question, 12 into 4. So you can pause the video, do this activity and come back. Hope you have done. Now let's check the answer. The first question, 20 into 2. So write 20 into 2 here under 0, which comes in the ones place. 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is equal to 0. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 2s are 4. So what's the answer? It is 40. So here you can write 20 into 2 is equal to 40. Second one, 12 into 4. So what should we do first? We have to multiply the ones place. So 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. And the number with the ones in the tens place, 4 into 1, 4. So we get 12 into 4 is equal to 48. So hope your answers are correct. Let's move on to our next topic. Here we are going to multiply 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Before we learned to multiply a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number, now we are having 3-digit number and you have to multiply that with a 1-digit number. Here you have 124 by 2. So we have hundreds, tens and ones. So 124 and 2. 2 is a 1-digit number, so it comes in the ones place. So where you have to place the 2? Under 4. That comes under ones place. So insert the symbol and write 2 in the ones place. Now we'll start multiplying. We have to multiply this 2 with the ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So first we'll start with the ones place. 2 4s are 2 4s are 8. Write it here in the ones place. Next we'll move on to the tens place. 2 2s are 4. So write that here in the tens place. Next we have to multiply this 2 with the number in the hundreds place. 2 1s are 2. So write that in the hundreds place and you get the answer 248. So multiply 124 by 2. Your answer is 248. Next let's check 223 by 3. So here also you are having a 3-digit number. 223 into 3. We have to multiply this 3 with all the digits in the ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So 3 3s are 9. Right here in the ones place. Next we'll move on to the tens place. 3 2s are 6. Write down here in the tens, under the tens place. Then we'll move on to the number in the hundreds place. 3 2s are 6. Write down under the hundreds place and you get the answer 669. Next you have 142 by 2. So write the number 142 on top. Insert the symbol and 2 comes in the ones place. Now we need to multiply this 2 with the number in the ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So first let's start with the ones place. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8 and in the hundreds place 2 1s are 2. So we get the answer 284. Multiply 121 by 3. So write the number 121. Then insert the symbol into and we have the number 3. We need to write it under the ones place. We have to multiply the 3 with the numbers here in the ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So we'll start with the ones place. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So you get the answer 363. So in your text, page number 117, you have the practice coach. Let's do it. Find the product. The first one it is 24 into 2. Here it is a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. So first we have to multiply with the ones place. 2 4s are 8. And then we'll move on to the tens place. 2 2s are 4. So likewise you can complete this exercise. Next, page number 118. Find the product. Here you have a 3-digit number with a 1-digit number. So look at the first question. You have 122 into 3. So where should we start from? We have to start from the ones place. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Again in the tens place we have 2. So again we'll multiply 3 2s are 6. Write it under the tens place, and in the hundreds place we have 1. So we need to multiply 3 1s are 3. So you get the answer 366. Next we have max around us. Page number 118. Let's read it. Students of class 2 of a school have decided to visit a nearby zoo for picnic along with their maths teacher. There are 60 students in all. The entry fee to the zoo is ₹10 for each child. Their teacher asked the class monitor to collect ₹10 from each student and give her the total amount collected. How much money has the monitor collected, including himself? So here you have a question. Students of class 2, they have gone to visit a nearby zoo along with their maths teacher. And total there are 60 students, and the entry fee for the zoo is ₹10 for each child. And the teacher asked the monitor, that is the leader, to collect money from each child. So we have to find out how much money has the monitor collected. You have some questions below. You can see number of students. So the number of students, there are 60 students. You can see in the question itself. So the total number of students is equal to 60. The next question, amount given by each child. So each child has to give ₹10. So you can write here 10. Total amount collected. To find out, we have to multiply 60 into 10. So 60 into 10. So now let's multiply 60 by 10. So 60 into 10. So here you have both the digits a 2-digit number. When you get such a number, first let's take the 0 here, and with the 0 you have to multiply the two numbers in the 60. So 0 into 0 is 0 itself. Now we have to multiply the 0 with 6. So 0 into 6 is again 0. Now we have to multiply this 1 with these two numbers. That is the second step. So you have to write it under here. So first 1 into 0 is 0, but you have to avoid this place and you have to write that number here. So 1 into 0 is equal to 0. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. And now we have to add it. Here there is no number. So you can see 0 plus 0 is 0. The second place 0 plus 0 is 0, and in the hundreds place you get the number 6. So write it along with the answer and you get the answer 600. So here total amount collected is equal to 60 into 10, that is equal to 600. Hence the total money collected by the class monitor is ₹600. So that's all for today. We'll be meeting in the next class. Till then, thank you.